We're given information about IQ scores. The mean is 99.4, the standard deviation is 15.9. We're asked to find the probability that a randomly selected adult has an IQ greater than 120.5. This is what I'm trying to find. Probability that X, I'm using X because we're dealing with a real number, that 120.5, a real world number. And here's the picture that represents that. The mean was 99.4, so here's the mean, the middle. 120.5 is what I'm trying to find, greater than that. First thing I did was calculate a Z. And the Z for an X value of 120.5 is 1.33. This is a graph in terms of Z. We know the mean is 0. Once you standardize it, the mean is 0. And the Z was 1.33. And I need to find this probability underneath the curve, the area underneath the curve, what I'm shading in red. And I use StatCrunch to stat calculators. I want the normal calculator. We're greater than or equal to, and I chose that. And then I had to enter in my Z, which is a 1.33, and then I clicked on commute and got that number right there. There's your answer.